Welcome everyone. In this video, we will learn how to apply the color overlay effect in Flint UI Designer to change the color of an image without creating multiple image assets. The color overlay effect allows you to apply a different color on top of an existing image. This is useful when the same image needs to appear in multiple colors. First, prepare the image that you want to apply the color overlay to. The image should contain white areas, because the overlay color will be applied to these regions. Add the image to the Images folder in your Flint project. Then open flint.efp and change the image format to A8. This format enables the color overlay effect to work correctly. Next, drag and drop an image widget into the design view. Assign the image to this widget. Select the image widget. Go to the Properties panel, open the Effects tab, and click Add Effect. From the list, choose Color Overlay Effect. Then select the desired overlay color that you want to apply to the image. Save the project and click Export All. And run the simulation. And that's how you apply the color overlay effect in Flint UI Designer to change image colors efficiently. This is a simple and effective technique to reuse the same image with different color variations in embedded UI designs. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.